If you are going to birth what God is getting ready to do next in your life, you're going to have to form partnerships. You cannot carry this by yourself. I know you don't trust anybody. I know you're afraid of people, but the Lord said you're going to have to trust him, not them. You're going to have to trust him to carry the load, because what God has for you is going to require the development. Oh, I can't stay there. I'm not even supposed to be on it that long. But God said you're going to need a partner to carry the thing out. You saw it, but you can't pull it by yourself. You need a partner. Glory to God. If any two of you agree as touching anything on earth, it shall be done unto you. Somebody holler, help! Normally when people say help, they're in trouble. Say help! Normally when people say help, they're in distress. Say help! This help is not a cry for help because you're in trouble. This help is a cry for help because you're so blessed that you're going to need help to handle the blessing that's coming in your life. I don't know who I'm talking to, but God said, holler, help! He's going to give it pressed down, shaken together, and running over. It's going to overflow in such a way that you're going to need help to handle the blessing.